Rakugo the Great QR Timetable Uproar. Master, big trouble. Yokohama Subway has replaced all the platform timetables with QR codes. What? The whole timetable shrunk into that tiny square? Nobody can read that. Even an ant would complain. No, Master. They removed the paper and made everyone read it on their smartphone. I see. Now what's the crisis? The internet's on fire. People say it's unfriendly to seniors who don't have smartphones. My boy, even seniors have smartphones these days. More worrying are the youngsters who walk around with batteries at 10%. That's me, Master, always in the red. Your whole life is in the red, you fool. But some people say they feel unsafe without paper timetables. Sure, some folks like their paper, but Yokohama didn't just rip them out. They hand out pocket timetables, and the departure board shows the next 2 trains. So why did it explode online? Simple. Humans get angry whenever anything changes. Back in the day, people complained just because trains moved. Why? They're noisy. They blow smoke. The sparks cause fires. Real flaming, my boy. Modern-day flaming. And nowadays, people think scanning a QR code will steal all their information. That sounds like paranoia, Master. Well, we live in a time when clicking the wrong email ruins your life. Ask Asahi Beer or Askell. Master, once I picked up a phone call from China saying, "This is the police." That's why I told you, just ignore it. China calls are where trouble comes from. Master, that pun hurt my soul. Anyway, every new technology gets misunderstood. When the My Number ID card came out, half the country shouted, "The government will leak our data." Master, that card has too many PIN codes. That's security, you fool. But Master, surely someone is inconvenienced by the QR-only timetables. Of course, which is why the station staff hand out paper ones and explain everything. As a train geek, I want one. And despite all the screaming online, the city got only 2 complaints. 2, that's it? That's the internet for you. Looks like a bonfire, but it's usually one guy with a match. So the QR switch was for efficiency. Exactly. Printing and replacing paper costs money and manpower. QR lets them update instantly. So the future subway is here. Just wait. QR codes will disappear next. What? What comes after that? AI. Ask Chatty-sama here. It'll tell you the next train before you even think of asking. Chatty-sama is everywhere. And yet, you still have no time management. Stop playing with Chatty-sama and practice your Rakugo. Master, that's the hardest part. Ask Chatty-sama for advice. Master, Chatty-sama says, time management is like cold noodles. The taste depends on the kimchi. It depends on the men noodles, not kimochi, you idiot. Meaning you. Anyway, humans fear change, but eventually get used to anything. AI, QR codes, timetables, even cold noodles. But one thing never changes. What's that, Master? The train will not wait for you. Feels like train to go to me. There it goes. Maybe we do need a paper timetable after all. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our little show.